How to remove the Threads badge from Instagram profile. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove this Threads badge from your Instagram profile. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right into the video. So, as you guys know, there has been a recent update where Instagram, Meta's Thread app is connected with your Instagram, and it will show up on your profile like this. But if you want to remove this, what you need to do is first head over to your profile. So if you just tap on your Threads um, handle, it will take you to the Threads app and open up your profile. But if you don't want this to show on your Instagram, just tap on edit profile option. And once you do that, at the bottom of your screen, you will have this option that says show threads badge. When turned off, the Instagram badge on your threads profile will also disappear. So those two will no longer be connected and people cannot visit your profile to profile using the threads link. So you just have to toggle this off. And once you do that, as you can see, the threads badge has been removed from my profile. That's pretty much it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.